Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will give us a general overview of blogging. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Lesson 1. Introduction to Blogging. Blogging is the process of sharing information on your website, usually in a reverse chronological order, where the latest posts appear first at the top. A blog is the most effective way to reach out to your current customers and attract potential ones. In Lesson 1 of this course, we'll dive into how blogging can boost your business, where to find resources, and how to choose the right blog content to feature. In Lesson 2, we'll have a brief overview of the different platform options for blogging, the importance of frequency in posting content, and the best mediums for your content to reach an audience. Finally, Lesson 3 will guide you in coming up with content ideas, creating and following a schedule, and how to monetize your blog. Whether you're thinking of starting a blog or improving an existing one, this course will highlight the fundamentals of all things blogging. What's the most important tool for increasing brand awareness? For successful businesses, they all resound with one answer: blogs. If your business doesn't have a blog yet, then you're missing out. Blogging is the most extensive channel for business visibility, customer interaction, and increased profitability. Here are a few statistics that can back that up. Company websites that have blogs have 55% more visitors, 97% more inbound links, and 434% more indexed pages. There are more than 500 million blogs in 2020, making up 1/3 of the whole internet. 61% have purchased a product from a blog recommendation. Marketers who make blogging a priority are 13 times more likely to achieve a positive ROI. Whether you're a startup company or an already established business, having a blog is an excellent resource to elevate your business to the next level. Time is needed to build credibility and an audience, so setting up a blog should be done ASAP. Blogs are a gateway to connect you to your target audience. They boost traffic, making you visible to more people, and create quality leads to your website. Moreover, a well-established blog strengthens your brand's voice, giving you an edge among competitors. Blogs are highly accessible and customizable, so you can tailor the one that perfectly suits your business's needs and preferences. By utilizing your blog, you can create relevant and up-to-date content that will help build your reputation as an industry thought leader. It's always important to remember that blogging is not something you need to figure out on your own. In fact, most of the blog content you see today didn't derive from an entirely original concept. With the vast number of blogs that were already established, many have used this as a medium to draw inspiration from when creating their own content. However, there's a big difference between inspiration and plagiarism. Instead of copying content word for word, you can build your own voice by learning from the writing style and structure of others, and using these as building blocks for creating your own identity. Then, you make it your own by injecting your new ideas into your fundamentals. To find inspiration, make it a habit to browse other businesses' blogs to see how they build and present their content. This helps widen your perspective of blogging, and in time, will help you understand the do's and don'ts of creating content. The best way to find resources is by understanding what exactly you're looking for. If you're looking at how to develop your own voice, search for leading business blogs. If you want to analyze the most popular blogs in your niche, search for industry leaders. If you're looking to brainstorm new ideas to stay ahead of the competition, take a look at your competitors' blogs. Soon, you'll have a compilation of blogs that you can read and use for drawing inspiration in creating your own content. Starting a blog can be challenging at first. There's a constant dilemma of what topics you should and shouldn't write about. How wide or narrow should the scope be? And most importantly, how would you form your own identity? Sadly, a common mistake that business owners make is creating a blog based on their product. However, for your blog to attract potential customers, it should be based according to their needs, and not the other way around. This is why analyzing your target audience is essential for creating your blog structure. Take a look at your target audience. What kind of blogs are they reading? Are they looking for product recommendations? Are they always in the look for the current trends in your industry? If you can identify what your audience reads, it will be easier for you to decide what kind of content will drive traffic to your site. There are a lot of helpful tools that you can use to identify what kind of topics do well in your niche. Tools like Ubersuggest, BuzzSumo, SEMrush, and Alltop help you to analyze the most popular and shared contents of your competitors.